Hello bảo tìm mất Sony. Rồi số im Chanel. In nó kif free Fiat với phiêu đại in. Mai thì in tag account o Bobo Abitawa in Sarakim Raka. Tuy in Abitawa run em muốn takkan Ford đi figure in kiểu quý này video. Takin Parrot. Áo nỉ. Hello. Shah Kumrak. Kumrak. Nó Diolch. Hello. Takin Shah Kumrak. Da iawn. Mewn gwirionedd, dwi'n wynnu fideo YouTube am iaith Cymraeg. Ac hyn o bryd dwi'n teithio yn Cymru. Mwyn siarad Cymraeg efo bobl leol. Fedrai... Na? No? Okay. Diolch yn fawr. Dala ti siarad Cymraeg?
Pob lwc.
Okay, bob tro. Diolch yn fawr.
Mae'n iawn.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Un Bethan, siarad Cymraeg. Helo. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah. Oh, da iawn. Tipyn bach. Dwi'n wynnu fideos YouTube am iaith Cymraeg. Helo. Da chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Siarad Cymraeg? Oh, no. Hoffe, ti neu chi?
Pardon?
Ti neu chi? Hoffe, ti cymryd rhan yn un o fideos?
Na, dim diolch.
Na? Okay. Da iawn. Diolch. Tipyn bach. Helo. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
I don't speak Welsh.
Oh, okay. Sorry, diolch. Helo. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
What's that?
Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
No.
No, diolch. Sorry. Helo.
Hiya.
Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Got a picture, yeah.
No, dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
I don't know.
No. Oh, okay. Diolch. Helo. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Sorry?
Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Oh,
No. Oh, okay, sorry. Diolch. Helo. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
sorry?
Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Pardon?
Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg? No?
No, sorry.
No, okay, diolch. Helo.
Hi.
Siarad Cymraeg?
Pardon?
Siarad Cymraeg? Cymraeg.
Cymraeg.
Oh, da iawn. Dwi'n wynnu fideos YouTube.
YouTube. You're on YouTube.
Dwi'n hoffi fideos.
Hoffi. Da iawn.
YouTube account?
Dros... No, siarad Cymraeg. Siarad Cymraeg?
Nac oes.
Na. Oh. Di? Na. Oh. Yn anffodus. Wyt ti astudio Cymraeg? Yn yr ysgol?
Ysgol.
Na, yn yr ysgol.
Ysgol. Ydw.
Yeah? Okay. Da iawn. Siarad Cymraeg.
Cymraeg.
Yeah. Diolch. Helo. Da chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Say again?
Da chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
I don't know.
Cymraeg. No? Oh, okay.
As in, where is
Diolch.
it?
Diolch yn fawr. Helo. Da chi'n siarad Cymraeg? No? Oh, okay. Castell. Hallo, dag in Suikermark.
Timberback.
Timberback, daar. Hey, Aros, Fedru. Hier, Suikermark, for me. Nah?
No.
Suikermark?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Diolch yn fawr. Suikermark. Hallo. Dag in Suikermark. Suikermark? Na?
No.
Ah, diolch yn fawr. Hallo. Dag in Suikermark?
No.
No? Oh, diolch yn fawr.
Timberback.
Timberback.
My daughter's in a Welsh school.
Dag in DR.
Yeah.
O, da iawn. A chyn o bryd dwi'n teithio yn Cymru, mwyn siarad Cymru efo bobl. Na? Okay. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch. Bobl ifanc. Hallo. Siarad Cymraeg?
Huh?
Siarad Cymraeg?
No.
No?
I don't speak one.
Oh,
I'm from Wales.
Huh?
From Wales, don't speak one.
okay.
What do you speak?
Dim siarad Cymraeg?
Right.
Yeah, siarad Cymraeg. Dag in siarad Cymraeg? No? No, okay.
Just one.
Yeah.
English?
No. Dim Saesneg. Dim Saesneg.
Dim English.
No. Diolch yn fawr. Hallo. Dag in siarad Cymraeg?
Pardon?
Dag in siarad Cymraeg? No?
No, sorry.
Diolch yn fawr. No. Hallo. Hey. Dag in siarad Cymraeg?
What?
Cymraeg? No.
Not that much.
Chi?
No,
Dan siarad Cymraeg? Oh,
he's
okay.
not Welsh.
Oh, okay. Diolch yn fawr.
Go.
Diolch yn fawr. Helo.
Hi.
Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Dwi yn, yeah.
O, siarad Cymraeg?
Yeah, dwi.
Da iawn. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Hyderus?
Sorry?
Hyderus?
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay. Lle dag chi'n astudio Cymraeg a dysgu Cymraeg? Lle? Yn yr ysgol?
Ponderfawr. Is he in Ponderfawr?
O, okay. Da iawn. Okay. Oes genoch chi gyfleoedd siarad Cymraeg bob dydd? Dag chi'n deall?
Tamen bach.
Tipyn bach?
Dim yn ots, no.
Okay. Diolch yn fawr. Okay. Helo. Hi. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
Pardon?
Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? No, okay. Diolch yn fawr. Oh. Helo. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Siarad Cymraeg? Okay, siarad Cymraeg? Na? Okay, diolch yn fawr. Helo. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? No? Okay. Oh. Helo. Hi. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg?
What are you looking for?
Siarad Cymraeg? Na? Okay. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.
Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Na? No. Okay. No, dim. Diolch yn fawr. Helo. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Tipyn bach, hey. Helo. Aros. Fedrw chi siarad Cymraeg efo fi? Tipyn bach. Dwi'n wneud fideos ar YouTube.
I don't want to get wet and soon.
Okay, diolch yn fawr. Helo. Hi. Helo. Hey, dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Cymraeg? No? Okay. Diolch. Helo. Dag chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Na? Tipyn bach. Efallai tipyn bach. O le dag chi'n dod? Na? Okay.
Are you looking for Welsh speakers in particular?
Yeah, yeah,
Ah, right.
yeah.
Right.
Doing one-day video, YouTube. Toen je zo door city purpose in Zakenmark in Abertawe FOB.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Again, I think in Swansea now, it's surprising. There are more and more children learning Welsh, no question about that. But in terms of finding people on the street to talk Welsh, even in Swansea, is what's the word? It's getting harder and harder, I think.
Okay.
I think it's about getting Welsh into the workplace, well, and the home as well. So it becomes the language that you use to communicate with both customers and in business. I think that's the key thing. And at the moment, I've got to say, it's in some areas, it's obviously we've got our own Welsh TV channels and radio channels. So in the certain aspects of the media and in certain parts of the country, things are holding their own. But I think it's tougher the further south you come in Wales and the further you're away from the smaller communities that actually speak Welsh in their villages. I think once you come into cities, I think there are in Cardiff. I think there are regions and in media, because there's more media and certain business aspects which have Welsh at their heart. You probably will be slightly better off in Cardiff than Swansea. I might be wrong, mind.
Okay.
But yes, I think that's one of the issues we've got. I mean, and again, when I grew up here in Swansea, there were far fewer opportunities to go to a Welsh school. So the school I went to was all the education was English, and yet there are some in the area which do speak Welsh, and that in the primary school areas particularly, they are improving definitely. So there's hope. There's definitely an effort to try and get more Welsh into our culture.
Idea.
Yeah, so we are, the Welsh government is really backing it. I think we're going to have to wait some years to know if it's succeeded.
Okay. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl fawr. Hello. Back in South Cymraeg?
Thank you,
No,
mate.
South Cymraeg.
South Cymraeg,
Yeah,
coming
yeah.
back.
Tipyn bach, da iawn. Fe dwch chi South Cymraeg efo fi?
Well done. Better than me, that's it.
Okay, diolch yn fawr.
Thanks, Joe.
Hwyl fawr. Hello. Back in South Cymraeg? Yeah, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Back in South Cymraeg?
O, tipyn bach.
Tipyn bach. South Cymraeg efo fi.
Fi'n ddim yn siarad Cymraeg. No.
Okay.
Nag e. Pub.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
In the Cross Keys.
Yeah. Okay.
I know a guy.
Yeah.
Do you want to see him now?
Oh. Okay.
Alright. Come on. Where are you?
Dim yma.
He speaks well.
Oh. Da iawn.
Fi'n mynd i'r cartref.
Oh. Okay. Da iawn.
This guy can speak Welsh. Right. Hugh, his name is. Hugh Jones.
Hugh Jones.
Yeah, proper Welsh name.
Oh. Iawn. Ydy o'n gweithio yma?
Weithio.
Yeah, gweithio yma. Na?
Mi, no.
Oh. Wow. Da iawn.
No, weithio.
Hello. Oh, wow.
You siarad Cymraeg.
South Cymraeg? Oh, okay.
Honestly.
Diolch yn fawr. Ac hyn o bryd dwi'n teithio yn Chymru, mwyn South Cymraeg efo bobl. Dwi'n wyneud fideos YouTube. Felly cymryd rhan yn un o fi fideos YouTube.
Un. Yeah.
Dio. Hello. Di ma fi eto. Gobeithio da chi mwynhau fideo hwn. Di ma canlyniad. Mae 10 person yn siarad Cymraeg. Tipyn bach Cymraeg. Dim ond 2 person yn siarad Cymraeg yn hyderus. Allan o 50 ar 20. Felly mae 5.4% o bobl dwi wedi cwrdd â nhw yn siarad Cymraeg. Mae o'n llai na hanner ganran wedi ddangos yn cyfrifiad 2021. Gadewch ei ban am canlyniad yn y sylw isod. Yn falch iawn clywed o ddiwyddoch chi. Dach chi isio gweld fi sgwrs efo Hugh Jones? Peidiwch anghofio gwylio fideo nesaf. Diolch yn fawr am gwylio. Os dach chi'n hoffi fideo hwn, roiwch ei hoffi. Tan ysgrifiwch i'm sianel am ragor o fideos diddorol. Diolch am ei cefnogaeth. Hwyl fawr.